Hey, hey, hey! It's day off again. Tignan natin kung anong mga gagawa natin ngayong day off natin. Papunta kami somewhere down the road. Samahan nyo kami this episode. Stay tuned because you're watching Del Venture. Kakain muna kami dito sa Manila Grill. It's currently 1 o'clock na. Ang tagal na namin din nakakain ng tapsilog, mga ganun. Yeah, kain muna kami rito. Dumating na guys. Tapsilog. And kare-kare. Kain na. Okay, let's go home. Then groceries.
Like that, wobble again. I love it when they both go like that. Wobble again. I love it when they both go all in. Like that, wobble again. I love it when they both go like that. Wobble again. I love it when they both go.
Aalis ulit tayo ngayon. This is gonna be our part 2 sa grocery natin. Hi guys, pupunta pala kami ngayon sa Costco with Team Bees. So ano yan?
Bis!
Kakain kami ng ice cream sundae, tapos uwi na rin.
Tsaka hot.
Kakain ng libre sa
They're playing
Costco.
soccer.
Kakain na libre.
I got all these J's rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came here with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave with you and your friends. Yeah, tryna leave with you and your friends. Whoa, yeah, you and your friends up in my car, rolling up J's, flying with the stars. Don't gotta ask the price, cause you already know. Watch full of ice, no light, it still glow. It's you and your friends, me and my dogs. Left your nigga to be with my squad. He talk a lot of shit, but he ain't really on. He hit it too soft, but me, I go hard like ooh, baby. When you with me, you go crazy. I want you to be my lady, girl. You can bring your girlfriends, I ain't hating. I got all these J's rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came here with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave it you and your friends.
Ano,
Teka lang.
namimili kasi kami ng kakainan.
Ay,
So,
mayroon makita na.
so nagbibigay kami ng mga options.
Lucky! Lucky! Sa Lucky!
Lucky
51 na tayo. Ay, sorry.
Meron na yung Wendy's, Panda Express. Anong third?
Forever. Ano sa'yo, Kate? Ikaw na muna. Ako din, Panda Express din kasi eh.
Oh, Wendy's.
Bakit ba tayo?
Ba't ba tayo nag-iisip? Ba't ba tayo nag-draw lots? Guys, dito nga pala tayo agad. Napakalapit sa Costco. Uy!
True.
Oh, maganda yung ano dito mag-work ah. Ayun guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Uwian na. Shhh. Yo yo yo, nasa bahay na tayo. Puro grocery pa lang ginawa natin today. Hanggang ngayon di pa rin ako tapos maglaba. Anong oras na? It's currently 11:39 na, guys. We're still naglo-laundry. Puro mga 2 salang pa. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang vlog na to, please hit the like button. Panoorin nyo rin yung mga previous vlogs natin. See you again sa next vlog. Thank you for watching Del Venture.